Editing scanned documents no longer requires Photoshop or complicated software. This free tool makes the process simple and beginner-friendly. Start by opening any browser and searching for DocHub, then open the website to start editing your scanned files. Once the website opens, you'll see the Select a Document option on the screen. Tap on it and upload the scanned document you want to edit directly from your phone or computer. After the upload is complete, the editor provides multiple useful tools to customize your document easily. You'll get options like erase, add text, annotations, drag elements, highlight sections, and more. You can use these tools to clean up your scanned document, fix formatting, add missing text, or make the document look more professional without needing advanced editing skills. Once your editing is complete, simply click on the download button to save the final version directly to your device. It's fast, easy to use, and one of the best ways to edit scanned documents online for free.